The sit is an introspective technique practiced in a standing, seated, or supine position. The primary objective of this sit is to cultivate present moment awareness. The sit should be practiced daily in order to establish some consistency. To embark on our journey, I'll utilize the first facet of mindfulness as our guide. Take a moment to position yourself, whether standing anatomically neutral, or sitting in a chair, or even lying down. Once you have found a relaxed position, begin to notice the environment you are currently occupying. What do you see? What sounds do you hear? How does the temperature of that space feel? Do you notice any physical sensations transpiring in your body? Regardless of the most salient sensory modality, spend the next 60 seconds with curiosity. There's no need to assign meaning to any stimuli. Just observe. That was only 1 minute of your 1,440-minute day. But how many times did your mind wander over to your to-do list? Or the fact that you forgot to run an errand yesterday? Or tomorrow is your best friend's birthday? More importantly, were you even aware that your mind was wandering? I asked you to just notice your environment. Did you? Or was your mind elsewhere? Please share my content with your network and subscribe to learn more about human performance optimization. As a human, you're a performer. Thank you for joining the mission.